I'm meeting my buddies out on the lake, headed out to a special place we love. Just a few folks know there's no signing up and no monthly dues. Take your Johnson, your Mercury, your FM brew and fired up. Meet us at a party cold. Come on in, the water's fine. Just side alone, it tosses the rain. Fast trackers, bay liners, and the party bars strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out, getting loud all summer long. Side by side, there's 5 houseboat front porches, AstroTurf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. South Texas chapter, that is. Bermuda's black socks and a tank top tan. He popped his first top at 10 a.m. That's Bob with the hairy back. He's checking out the girls on the upper deck, rubbing in the 15 SPF. It's hot. Dang, he's gonna have a heart attack. Later on when the sun goes down, pull out the jar and that old guitar, pass them around. Bass trackers, bay liners, and a party bar strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out, getting loud all summer long. Side by side, there's 5 houseboat front porches, AstroTurf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, Redneck Yacht Club. Now when I say redneck, you say yacht club. Redneck Yacht Club. Redneck Yacht Club. When the party's over and we're all alone, we'll be making waves in an always zone. Bass trackers, bay liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side, there's 5 houseboat front porches, AstroTurf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us. The Redneck Yacht Club. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Redneck Yacht Club. Na 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 na.